Dear students, now I am explaining the division of complex number. Division of complex number. Last 3 classes before, I explained the division of complex number by using variables, algebra. Algebraically I will prove. Now I am going to explain, or I am going to solve the problems by using numbers, real numbers. What I meant. Okay. Let Z1 is equal to 2 plus I. Z1 is equal to 2 plus I. Z2 is equal to 3 plus 2I. 3 plus 2I. That is not equal to 0. It seems to be 3 plus 2I is any number. Okay. Now Z1 by Z2. I divide Z1 by Z2 is equal to 2 plus I by 3 plus 2I. 2 plus I by 3 plus 2I. Take the conjugate for denominator, it will proceed. Okay. What is the conjugate of denominator? 3 plus 2I is 3 minus 2I by 3 minus 2I. Value does not change. Now this is equal to 2 into, I put the bracket here itself, okay? No problem. 2 into this factor, 3 minus 2I plus I is there, 3 minus 2I divided by A plus B into A minus B in the denominator, 3 plus 2I into 3 minus 2I, that is A square minus 2I whole square, B square, that is A square is 3 square minus B square is 2I whole square. Now multiply. 2 into 3 is 6, plus into minus 2 into 2, 4I plus, as it is plus 3 into I is 3I, plus into minus 2I square, because I into I is I square, divided by 3 square is 9 minus 2 square is 4 I square. Understand? Okay. Now 6 minus 4I plus 3I is minus I, minus 2I square is minus 1. I square is what? Minus 1. Okay. Divided by 9 minus 4 into I square is minus 1. That is equal to 6 minus I, minus into minus, plus 2 divided by 9 plus 4, that is equal to 8 minus I by 13. Okay, this is equal to what? 8 by 13 plus I into minus 1 by 13 is in the form of A plus IB, where A value is 8 by 13, B value is minus 1 by 30. Understand? I will explain. Okay. Division of complex number. Divide Z1 and Z2 each other. Okay. Z1 by Z2, that is 2 plus I by 3 plus 2I. For the division, in the denominator, it should be a real number like this. Okay. Now take the conjugate of 3 plus 2 is 3 minus 2I. 3 minus 2I. Multiply and divide. Okay, value does not change. Now factorize, multiply. 2 into this one, 2 into 3 minus 2I, plus I into 3 minus 2I, divided by A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. What is the value of A? 3 square. What is the value of B? 2i whole square. Now multiply 2 into 3 is what? 6 minus 2 into 2 4i plus I into 3 is 3i plus into minus I into 2i is 2i square. Okay. Now in the denominator what happens? 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, I square is as it is. Next 6 minus 4i plus 3 is minus I. Here minus 2. What is the value of I square is? Minus 1. Divided by 9 into minus 4 into I square value is minus 1. That is equal to 6 minus I minus into minus plus. Here minus 1 is there. Here minus 2 is there. Minus into minus plus 2. Understand? Divided by minus into minus what happens in the denominator? Plus, that is 9 plus 4. That is 6 minus I by 2. I plus 2 by 9 plus 4. That is 6 plus 2 is 8 minus I by 13. That is 8 by 13 plus I into minus 1. That is the form of A plus IB. Whatever it may be, you have to write in the form of A plus IB. Understand? What is the value of A here? Real part is 8 by 13. Imaginary part is minus 1 by 30. Okay? Write down it. Okay. Yes. Yesterday you have written this one, no problem. Once again, not necessary to write all this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Okay. Next problem. You know complex number. Find Z1 by Z2 if Z1 is equal to 4i. Z1 is equal to 4i. Z2 is equal to 7i. Okay. Now answer. Given, right? Given Z1 is equal to 4i, Z2 is equal to 7i. Okay? Z1 by Z2. 4i by 7i. That's equal to what? I cancel. What happens? 4y. That's all. Okay, no problem. What are you? Okay, now Lalita, Aishwarya, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Find Z1 by Z2. Find Z1 by Z2 if Z1 is equal to I think this one minus 2 minus 3i. Z2 is equal to 8 minus I. Okay? Right. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೇನಪ್ಪ ಆಯ್ತು ಗಿವನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗಿವನ್ z1 is equal to minus 2 minus 3i, z2 is equal to 8 minus I. z1 by z2, find z1 by z2 ಅಂತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, z1 by z2 is equal to minus 2 minus 3i by 8 minus I. What is the conjugate of this one? 8 plus I by 8 plus I. Take it as a minus common factor here. Minus 1 into 2 into this one. 8 plus I. Plus, because we take the minus outside, what happens this one? Okay. Because of easy to next problem. Next 3i into 8 plus I by what? 8 square minus I square. Okay. Now term wise multiply. Minus 1 into 16 plus 2i, 2 into 16 plus 2i plus 8 into 3 is 24i plus 3i square divided by 8 square plus 1, because 8 square plus 1 is 64 plus 1. Okay. Now minus 1 into 16 minus 3, because a square is minus 1. 16 plus 24 plus 2 is 26i minus 3, because I square value what happens? Minus 1. Okay, by 65. Now minus 1 into 16 minus 3 is 13 plus 26i divided by 65, that is minus 13 by 65 minus 26i by 65 is the division of this z1 by z2 is what? Minus 13 by 65 plus I put in minus minus 26i by 65 is the complex number in the form of a plus ib, where a value what? Minus 13 by 65, b value minus 26 by 65. Okay, explain marking point. Find z1 divided by z2. If z1 is minus 2 minus 3i, z2 is 8 minus I. z1 divided by z2. 2 minus 2 minus 3i by 8 minus I. I will take the minus common factor. What happens? This becomes plus 2 plus 3i by 8 minus I. Now 2 into 8 plus I, 2 into 8 plus I, minus common take outside. Now plus 3i into 8 plus I divided by 8 square minus I square. A plus b, b minus b is what? A square. A plus b into a minus b what? A square minus b square. What is the value of a here? 8. B here what? That is 8 square minus I square. 8 square minus I square. What is the value of I square is? Minus 1. I square is 1. Now write, multiply 8 into 2 is 16. 2 into I is 2i. Plus 3 into 8 is 24i. Plus into plus 3i into I is 3i square. Now 24 plus 2i is 24i plus 2i is 26i. 16i as it is minus I minus 3 because I square is minus 1. Here I square is minus 1, that is 8 square is 24 plus 1, that is 65, denominator. Here 16 minus 3 is 13 plus 26i by 65, minus 1 is common factor. First we have to, that is multiply by minus 1, minus 13 by 65 plus of minus 26i by 65. This is the complex number in form of a plus ib. A plus ib. Okay. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. Now I am going to give another example. Find Z1 divided by Z2 if Z1 is equal to 1 plus I, Z2 is equal to 1 minus I. 1 minus. Now given Z1 is equal to 1 plus I, Z2 is equal to 1. Z1 by Z2 is equal to 1 plus I by 1 minus I. What is the conjugate of Z1? Z2? Okay. 1 plus I by 1 plus I, that is 1 plus I whole square. 1 plus I into 1 plus I is 1 plus I whole square. This one is 1 square minus I square because A minus B into A plus B. Now what is the A plus B whole square? What? A plus, because 1 plus I is whole square is there. A square, good, plus 2AB plus B square. Okay. Similarly, 1 plus I whole square is 1 square plus 2 into 1 into I, 2AB. A is 1, B is I, plus B square divided by 1 plus 1 because I square is what? Minus 1. That is 1 plus 2I. What is the value of I square? Minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 2I by 2, that is I. This is the form of A plus B, that is 0 plus I into 1, that is, this is the form of A plus I, where A is 0, B is 1. Understand? Very important. Like these problems are very frequent problems that are asking in the examination. Like these problems. Divide 1 plus I by 1 minus I. What is Z1? 1 plus I. What is Z2? 1 minus. For the denominator take the conjugate, not in the numerator. Understand? The point is take the conjugate of denominator only. What is the conjugate of here? 1 minus I means 1 plus IB. Suppose it is in the plus, you take minus. Okay? Next one. 1 plus I into 1 plus I is 1 plus I whole square. Here A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. Okay. Now, this is the form of A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus 2AB plus B square. What is the value of A is? 1. B is I. A square, 1 square plus 2AB. A is 1, B is minus. I plus I square divided by a square plus b square, that is a square minus b square, 1 square minus I square, that is y square is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 plus 1. Okay, here 1 square is 1, I square is minus I, 2 into 1 into I is 2I by 2, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 2I by 2, 2 to cancel I, this is equal to 0 plus I into 1, which is in the form of a plus I. A is 0, B is 1. Okay? Write down it. Work it out. Okay. Find Z1 divided by Z2 if Z1 is equal to root 3 plus 2 root 2I. Okay, Z2 is equal to root 3 minus 2 root 2I. Okay. Yes, you can take the rational numbers also. Yes, these are the reals, that's all. What is the real number? Root 3. Root 3 is the real number. Write down. Given Z1 is equal to root 3 plus 2 root 2. Z2 is equal to root 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay. Z1 divided by Z2 is equal to root 3 plus 2 root 2 I by root 3 minus 2 root 2I into root 3 plus 2 root 2I by root 3 plus 2 root 2I, because conjugate of denominator. Okay, this is the form of a plus b. A plus b is a plus b whole square, that is root 3 plus 2 root 2I whole square. Good. Divided by a minus b into a plus b, that is root 3 whole square minus 2 root 2I whole square. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b, a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, because here a square minus b square is there, that is a minus b into a plus b. This is a plus b whole square. Okay. Okay. I will arrange this one because shortage of place. A plus b whole square root 3 whole square, okay, plus 2 root 3 into 2 root 2I, a square plus 2ab. What is the value of a? Root 3. B value 2 root 2I, 2 root 2I plus 2 root 2I whole square divided by, this is a square 2 root ab plus b square by root 3 square is 3 minus 2 root 2 square is 4 into 2 into I square. 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, I is I square. Okay, now simplify. Root 3 square is 3 plus 2 into 2 4, 3 into 2, 6. That is 4 root 6i plus 2 square is 4. 2 root 2 square is 2. What is this one? 2 root I. That is 2 square root 2 square I square. This one. 2 square is what? 4. Root 2 square is 2 I square by 3 plus, because I square is what happens? Minus 1. The minus into plus 4 into is 8. That is 3 plus 4 root 6i minus, because I square value is minus 1, minus into plus is minus 4 into is 8 by 30. That is 8 minus 3 minus 8 is minus 5 plus 4 root 6i by 30. That is minus 5 by 30 plus I into 4 root 6 by 30 is the answer. Where A value is minus 5 by 30, B value is 4 root 6 by 30. Okay, explain marking. Okay? Find Z1 by Z2. But Z1 is what? This one. Root 3 plus 2 root 2i. Z2 is root 3 minus 2 root 2i. Okay? Now, Z1 is root 3 plus 2 root 2i. Z2 is root 3 minus 2 root 2i. Take the conjugate. Conjugate of this one is root 3 minus 2 root 2i. Root 3 minus 2 root 2i by root 3 plus 2 root 2i. Huh? No, take it. No problem. Okay. First is in Bada, other is in Bada. No problem. Okay. Root 3 plus 2 root 2, root 3 plus 2 root 2 is root 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square. Next, a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is the value of a is root 3. B is 2 root 2i, 2 root 2i whole square. Here 2, a root 3, b 2 root 2i, b 2 root 2i. Next, root 3 whole square is 3, 2 root 2 whole square is 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, 4 into 2 into I square is I square. Okay? Next, root 3 square is 3 plus 2 into 2 how much? 4, root 3 into 2 is root 6 I plus 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, I square is I square. Next, 3 plus 4 root 6i. I square is what? Minus 1, minus into plus, minus 4 into is 8. Divided by 3, y square is minus 1, minus into minus, plus 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is 13. Now, 3 minus 8 is minus 5, 4 root 6i by 30. That is minus 5 by 13 plus 4 root 6 by 13i. This is in the form of a plus ib, where a value real part is there, minus 5 by 13 is there. Imagine part of 4 root 16 by 30. Understand? Work